Right, we're all aboard.
Hello.
Hello. Why have we got the wipers on? Oh goodness, how do I work these buttons? About to do some big skids. Right, go, 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 go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
In preparation for 2019, I bought a new camera. Unfortunately, however, I couldn't be bothered to read the manual, and as a result, it didn't record any audio, which, besides being a schoolboy error, is quite incredibly annoying. But it doesn't mean we're going to give up. So, having fueled the car in a very safe manner, I readied the team consisting of cousin Otis, other older cousin Luca, my brother Charlie, to do some
mad skids.
I read it to us.
I'm sorry.
I just saw a sheep in a wool bag.
We had a big moment there. Get the rabbit! We spotted a rabbit.
Yes, sheep.
This is all important work.